Today we're dealing with money, the energy of exchange. Hi, it's Rishi Kumar. In this final video of our Motivation to Money series, we're exploring money. Money isn't just paper. It's energy reflecting your beliefs and self-worth. Most chase it, unaware they repel it with thoughts of lack. Shift your relationship. See it as a partner, an energetic mirror, and everything changes. This isn't about endless hustle, but about receiving with grace and circulating prosperity consciously. Money is a symbol infused with meaning. See it as energy in motion, and your financial world opens. Firstly, money is a mirror. It reflects your core beliefs about yourself. Unworthiness repels it. Guilt or scarcity creates mixed signals. Every financial result shows your internal programming. Your financial blueprint is in beliefs, not just numbers. Let's rewrite your wealth story. You've inherited money stories that might limit you. But those are just stories that can be rewritten. You're here to thrive, to expand, to circulate wealth as part of your growth. Repeat. I allow abundance to flow through me. I am worthy of wealth. My prosperity benefits the world. The cycle of giving and receiving. Abundance flows. Give with joy, expect nothing. The universe knows there's more. Receive with gratitude. Affirm your openness. This is energetic exchange. Every dollar is intention. Every transaction, a spiritual contract. Want more? Circulate more value. The science of wealth vibration. Money responds to vibration, like thoughts and emotions. Fear attracts lack. Gratitude attracts abundance. Your emotional state is key. Feel rich with gratitude and expectancy before the money comes. Energy prepares you for wealth. Abundance without attachment. True wealth is flow, not clinging. Your security is in your divine connection, not just your job or clients. Money is a tool. Detach from how it comes, stay open, and trust the universe rewards service. Ready for more? If this resonates, I'm giving away 100 free copies of Spirit in a Lab Coat, a deep dive into energy and conscious wealth, plus a free meditation course from Giovanni Dienstmann. Links are below. Grab them. Dive in. Change your story. You are the source. You are the vessel. You are the flow. Thank you for being part of this journey.